Welcome. If you wanna add events to calendar in your OPPO A31, let's tap on the calendar, click here 2 times, tap on the got it, and click on this marker. Now we can choose between the... oh, we cannot choose? Okay, never mind. Just type the title here, mine will be hard reset, and also we can set up other things like notification, description, location, the time. If you set up everything, tap on the save, and here is our event. So this is how it looks. This is Google Calendar, and it will look the same on every calendar application. So enjoy it, thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.